hardware. As you can see, this is the wearable gloves. Each flex sensor is installed in a way that's fixed on the finger and free to bend from the below position. That is done due that we faced some problems at first when I fixed both sides. During when we are getting the finger back to its normal position, an opposite bending was occurring, which causing wrong readings. So we did that as a solution to this problem. Each flex sensor is connected to two terminals, a 5-volt input on the left and the output on the right. The flex sensor is a resistor, so we put it in series with a 10 kilo ohm. Each flex sensor has a 10 kilo ohm resistor in series that's connected to the ground. This resistor is connected, the point between the resistor and the flex sensor is connected to the analog input on the Arduino. Now when it comes to the servo motors, each servo motor has 3 terminals. The VCC and the ground, which is the 5-volt and the ground, which are all the 5-volt and the ground connected here. The plus is the 5-volt and the minus is the ground. These are connected to an Arduino 5-volt voltage regulator that's in turn connected to a 9-volt power supply. Each finger has 2 joints. Each joint is represented by a servo motor to imitate the behavior of the joint, and the wrist is imitated by the bulky servo MG996R servo motor, which is capable of rotating large torques. The PWM signals, the PWM pins are connected to the PWM ports on the Arduino Mega. When we are talking about the MPU gyro and accelerometer, it has 4 pins, VCC and the ground, which are connected to the 5-volt and the ground given from the Arduino board. And the SDA and SDL ports that are connected directly to the SDA and SDL ports on the Arduino Mega board. Finally, we fixed the servo motors using sticky wax, and the other joint, since due to the wrong in the 3D printing, there were no place for inserting a bear or pin in the servo to connect to the shaft. So we used an erasers, because this application only aims to replicate the hand move and not like applying forces. We used an eraser as a solution to the problem we faced in order to connect the second joint to the last end of the finger.